Bright Duty. Every student matters.
Nematoda. So as compared to platyhelminthes, you will see the body is not flattened. The body is bilaterally symmetrical. They are also triploblastic. Mode of nutrition is parasitic. So they live on the body on the outside or inside the body of other living organisms. Then they are commonly called worms. Body is cylindrical. This is the main difference between platyhelminthes and nematoda. Their body was flattened. In this case, the body is cylindrical. There are tissues but no real organs. Pseudocoelom is present, that is, they do have a cavity, but that cavity is not throughout the body, it is present in pouches. Then they cause diseases like elephantiasis caused by filarial worms, worms in the intestines, roundworms, pinworms or hookworms. So they live, sometimes they live inside the body of other living organisms. That is why they also call diseases, cause diseases. So look at this examples. If you see, the body is cylindrical, ascaris, this belongs to, so ascaris, roundworm, pinworm, hookworms, they belong to this category of nematoda. Alright, so I hope this phylum is also clear to you. Next is Annelida. Again, the body is bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, they have true body cavity, that is coelom is present. They have extensive organ differentiation. So the different tissues, they form the group to form organs, and different organs perform separate functions. They have segmented body. So segments, they are lined one after the other from head to tail, they are segments. These are found in a variety of habitats like either freshwater, marine water or even on land. Examples are earthworm and leeches. Some of these are bisexual organisms. So a single body contains both male and the female reproductive organs, that is why they are called bisexual. Look at these examples, cylindrical body and bilateral symmetrical bodies there. Okay. So earthworm, leeches, they all belong to the Annelida. Let us move on to the next phylum, that is Arthropoda. They are probably the largest group of animals. There are many species of organism under this phylum. Body is bilaterally symmetrical, body is segmented, they are triploblastic, so 3 layers with true coelom. Okay, so they have internal body cavity which is filled with blood. Why it is filled with blood? Because they have open circulatory system. The blood does not flow in vessels. Like in humans, we have arteries and veins in which the blood flows. But in Arthropoda, this blood does not flow in vessels. It flows. It is open. So it flows in the cavity throughout. That is why coelom is filled with the blood. It includes all the insects. They have jointed legs. Actually, the word arthropod means, arthro means jointed and pod is from the legs. So arthropod means they have jointed pairs of legs. Then respiratory is through spiracles and trachea. They have holes in the body which are called spiracles. These holes are attached to a tube which is called the trachea. So through this tube, the oxygen exchange of gases takes place. Then body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and then the lower abdomen. They bear exoskeleton made up of cuticle and chitin. Okay, exoskeleton is the hard covering outside the body. So they have an exoskeleton made up of cutin or chitin, so which is a hard material. So examples are prawns, butterflies, houseflies, spiders, all such insects, they belong to arthropod, even the cockroach. So they have, all of them have hard outer covering, they have jointed legs, the body is bilaterally symmetrical. So from the diagram itself, you can actually mention few characteristic features.